Good morning.
What's up?
Good morning. I hit 500 subscribers on YouTube.
So
Bless
proud
up.
of you.
Bless the fuck up, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, guys. Welcome in. I love you guys are already in the comments nice and early. Pretty cool.
I'm going to be commentating today, by the way.
You're what? You're not going to be commentating?
I am going to be commentating. I'm going to be the commentator today. I'm not really,
Okay.
I'm just going to be forward testing.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. I need to post this real quick while we kind of let the open do its thing here. We are opening literally right at prior day low. Very interesting spot in this 23-100. Per the game plan I posted in the strong trading chat for everyone that's a part of strong trading, this is going to be the key. Super, super key today. 30-minute chart, look at this. Look at the retest right here of the lower part of the structure. Bears want to keep the ship below this. That's for sure. If we reclaim 23-100 and hold in this zone, that's a good sign for the bulls. But if we can reject prior day low right here and fail and get through 23,000, the problem is we're in this 100-point range right now. You could technically take this short probably all the way down to 23,000. I don't want to take that right at the open personally. I'd rather wait to see the reaction around 23,000. But we got some interesting setups here, ladies and gentlemen. We do. So scenario wise today, I'm just looking. It's got me. I need to be a little bit patient because again, this 23-100 is still really key. Kind of talked about it yesterday a little bit with some clients, but basically, if we go to the 4 hour on this, right, and you're to draw, let's say a zone like range, right? Look at this range. You can all see that, right? Here's the top, here's the bottom. Boom, boom. We break out, but this is like a fake breakout, right? This is a scenario for like retest, boom, die down towards 600. But that, of course, is a 4 hour chart. So, like, that's probably not going to happen today. But this is this main scenario I'm watching. So, I'm like, if bulls want to make a statement and be like, yo, no, we're here, don't fuck with us, they need to, number one, not let us lose 22,800s down here. But more importantly, today, we need to be able to hold the 23,000 area because this is exactly what bears want to see. They want to reject this and bring it back down lower. So, this is a classic, like, fake breakout zone. Other side of the coin, we do have some better setups across the board on like RTY. I really like this RTY setup. I'm watching this today because what I love about this is we've just overshot the kind of the range low here, right? Range low, back up to range highs. So I wouldn't kind of be surprised to see this one kind of go on its own. Same thing with YM. YM's looking good where we kind of like we trickled down, overshot liquidity here, and then maybe it's trying to go back up. So I'm watching that a little bit as well, but trying to be patient at the open. I was just talking to Lawrence about this, where I was like, yesterday just like annoyed me, and I know I show my emotions maybe a little too much, but like I'm just human. That's just who I am. I'm just not gonna fucking not do that. But what threw me, I was doing a review yesterday too. And what threw me for the spiral was Lawrence said it best too. He's like going against like your own code, basically. Yeah, your own commandments. And for me, I never short low a day and I never buy high a day. And yesterday, I literally just in the moment was like, oh no, I'm going to short low a day. And what happened? I got boofed. So it's like whenever you guys, think the market's going to do that, think the market's going to do this, it's like what usually happens, right? This is my same theory of like trading right at the open. It's like, unless it's a really, really super specific setup. Wow, nice pop here on YM, looking good. Unless it's a really, really specific setup, it's like I just know like 1 out of 10 times or 2 out of 10 times trading the open, I get hurt. So for me personally, it's the same thing with shorting low a day or buying high a day. It's just like, yeah, I can work here and there, but most of the time for me, it doesn't. So I just want to stay away from it. So that's why I was like flustered yesterday. I'm gonna kind of try to take it slower today, kind of cruise and see what happens. But good morning. Lots of people in the chat. I think you guys saw obviously the title of the video today. I am gonna start doing, or I guess to say we will start doing giveaways for top one futures. We're gonna start giving away some free accounts every week, maybe multiple times a week. I don't know. But the thing is, you got to be in the chat because I'm just going to randomly drop it and be like, you know what? I'm doing the giveaway here. It will be a Google form that I'm going to post in the chat. So you got to stick around. You got to hang out. And you know, get some information. Then you'll fill out the form, and then we'll do like a fun little duck race, and it'll be totally random. Whoever wins. We'll go from there with it. So MNQ, wow, we are dumping right now. Just like I said, range low to range highs, right? Rejected prior day high, swept this. What a great setup. What a great short setup, honestly. It's beautiful. Just a little too close to the open for me, but that's one where I'm like, oh, that was a really good setup because location is so important. And we opened right at the spot. I wish we would have pinned 100 and then failed. That would have been even better. But we didn't. So is what it is. Yeah, welcome in, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So need to post a story. Join in.
Got that nice little bounce off VWAP.
It was a nice bounce off VWAP.
As well as reacting.
It's trying. Yeah, it is reacting. Yeah, it is. Especially after a candle like that, I wouldn't be surprised to see this bounce. But I like the near-term volume point of control and overnight support is clearly this 23,000 area. So I want to see maybe if we could sweep down into here and hold this low still. Maybe we can come down towards like 67s or something aggressive.
Well, if you go on the 15-minute chart or the 30-minute chart, we swept that low. Like, look at that.
Yeah, aggressively. You're right. That is really nice. So this would be the retest. So it's actually not a terrible spot. I'm not against it. It just, after yesterday, I just don't want to be trading 6 minutes into the open. So it's just a recipe for me to fucking get pissed. I'm going to be pretty patient today and wait closer till 10 a.m. I just don't want to fucking deal with the bullshit today. I really don't. And always there shoulda, coulda, woulda. This might work here. This might work here. But time is also a factor.
Time is a big factor. Good morning, everybody. Rusty, Fit, Vaughn was good, brother. Brian, Shadow, Charles, Adrian's, Shauna, Mac. Damn, we got. I love this. God, you guys are amazing. I just want to say that.
Let's go.
Now, John, after filling out the form for coaching, what happens?
Well, John, when did you fill it out? I'll look right now.
That's a big question.
When did you fill it out? I'll look literally right now.
And then, he also said,
John,
email after filling out the form. Maybe we should set that up. Maybe we should set up a confirmation email.
Yeah. I could do that. John, I do have your email here. I think one thing, you can even elaborate. I'll let you elaborate in the comments. I read it, your application. One thing I'm interested in is you said I need to find a profitable system that I can master. We're not huge on teaching specific systems. Like we'll teach you.
I'm not going to do it.
Yeah, exactly. Like there you go.
Tanner's being nice, being professional. But me personally, I tell everybody on the call 3 times in a row, I'm not teaching you anything about technical analysis. I'm not teaching you a system. I'm not doing any of that. Now, if you do have a system and you need slight refinements or you need like subtle little ideas,
I'm gonna try this.
Yeah, go ahead. Go long.
Yeah, I want to try this long. Wait, I'm gonna give it a second. Hold on.
Yeah, do like it. Just cut me off. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, so that is a nice attempt right there. I like that divergence. So go to you on the 30-second. Okay. So yeah, John, it's just like we don't do anything as far as giving away systems. Like I've been thinking about it. And Tanner, tell me what you think. I've been thinking about coming out with an ebook or a video course of my system. You can have it.
Yeah.
But yeah, John, we only do the psychology process, back end journaling piece of things.
Not against that.
Lawrence, how upset should I be that I missed the first appearance of my model because I was back testing? I wasn't locked in. Are you living in a scarcity mindset, Alex, or are you living in an abundance mindset? Because last time I checked, setups are like buses. Miss one, next one. Wait, one, first thing, next one coming.
Oh shit, I'm not copy trading all 3 accounts. Fuck me.
Damn. And that's gonna be the one. What if that's the one that popped too? That would be crazy. What if that's the one that like pops?
Fuck me. What do I do?
You can't do anything because once you start copy trading, it's going to.
I know I can get out and re-enter though. I can get out and re-enter. But I like this entry. I don't want to fuck it up. Let's see. Let's make this really tight. So if I do lose, I'm just like, okay, it's a small loss. Let's see.
I don't know. That was a good entry, Tanner.
I know. I can't
There's a
just
clear divergence.
I can't just boof it. Like
there's a clear divergence there.
It's pretty nice, bro.
It looks pretty. I don't know, Tanner.
I think we get a pop into 100s at least. I think we'll sweep liquidity. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. Let's see if we get it. I don't like this 5-minute bar now. Kind of ugly 5-minute bar.
Yeah, that doesn't look attractive. And then that might be a change of character. There's a little consolidation below that. That impulse candle on the previous trend.
Yeah.
On the prior trend. You got a question right here. I don't know if you're focused or not, but
no, yeah, sorry, I'm not looking at the chat. My bad.
Tanner, even though it already bounced hard off VWAP.
Yeah, I mean that's what I liked. I like this secondary reaction here. This is what I do like about this. So I liked how this was the initial bounce off VWAP, and then we had one more attempt to go lower here, and then like they failed to bring it lower and put in the hammer. That's what I like to see. So, but again, like we're just really heavy and bearish from yesterday, so it's like sometimes these moves are just so aggressive. It's just like, yeah, this probably wants 23,000 here, bro. It's just too aggressive. And that's fine. I'll take the $180 loss and then connect all the accounts if that happens. I'd rather take the small loss and then reassess anyways. So, but I do like this little failed attempt here. My problem is here, I want to add to this if this pops back up. If we can hold this low. I don't think it's going to hold though. I could be wrong. I don't know. We'll see. It's a tough spot. It's a tricky spot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's going to fail.
Order filled.
Okay, look at that. That was barely tapped me out. Okay, let's go to copy trading. Boom, 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 boom. Where is it? Leader. Too much risk on this. Not 1600. Not 1600. 1200. Save. Okay. All right, cool. That's fine. Now we're back down into volume point of control in this 23,000. This is the main area I'm really, really interested in. The bear scenario is panning out though. That's what's kind of tough here. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. Lots of people in the chat. What's good, guys? What's going on? What is going on? You guys ever fuck with marking Friday's high and Friday's low pre-market? I do mark out priority low, priority high in every single session. It's just not on this chart. I always tell everyone I have thinkerstone from other charts. So I like divergence, Lawrence. Look at this. Now it's again trying to hold.
Yeah, that could be a nice.
Yeah, right, I'm gonna try this one more time.
Order filled.
Yeah, I would try that one more time. That's a good time.
I just don't like that it didn't pin into 23,000 though. That's what I don't like. It just barely shy of it.
I like if this fails, we're probably going down.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I feel like if this fails, we're sinking.
Let's see. $270. I don't like it, dude.
What about it? Don't you like?
It just still feels really heavy, honestly. And we didn't fully test 23,000. That's what I don't like. It's just like it barely clipped it. And like I feel like they're going to want to overshoot it, then reclaim it. That's what I don't like. Honestly, that's what I dislike.
So shit I don't like.
Yeah, dude, this is fucking heavy still. Really heavy.
Yeah,
this bigger picture bear, that's the problem too. This bigger picture bear thesis is playing out. They need to reclaim it right here. Right here. Long as at 23,039 from Chandra. Okay. Can I add to
Where
this?
are we now? 23. Okay.
Can I add to this? Do I want to add to this? I don't know if I want to. Do I want to? No. Maybe. Maybe I
Give it
do.
a second.
I'm gonna give it a second here.
Getting a reaction. I would say get a reaction first.
I know. See, that's the thing. It's still too heavy down here, bro. It wants a sweep 23,000. This bear thesis is playing out. It really is. Yeah, this is gonna cook me. I can just tell. Okay, I'm gonna wait.
Where's London? Where's London lows?
I'm gonna wait, dude. Way down there, bro.
79s.
Order filled.
979.
I'm gonna wait now until fucking just way too early. Still, I mean, I'm gonna wait till like 10 a.m. I hate days. I hate this type of stuff because these are my setups, dude. Like these divergent sweeps, and then when we just make lower highs and fail, like this is my recipe for trying it 70,000 times.
Yeah,
That's what I hate.
I
know.
Watch, this is the one.
It looks like it, bro. Fucking again, it's gonna happen to me.
How much are you down? You're only down 271. Give it another shot. If you feel like this is it.
I don't know. Yeah. Okay.
Order filled.
I do like it. I'm not against it. I just don't like that we haven't swept 23,000 though. But this is where
if you lose this one, just take your time after that. But this is a good try.
Yeah, it is a good try.
And this is the fourth divergence.
I know, dude. It's ridiculous. Look at this fucking the amount of times this is failing to like go lower or higher. Not bad. Give me a fucking pop, dude. Done with the bullshit. Front run 23,000 and hold it and just go up higher.
Jay Bull said ES once London highs VWAP.
I need to add to this if it does work. God, just these fucking tails and wicks, dude. I hate candles like this. They're just so fucking aggressive. Can I add to this? I'm adding.
Order filled.
Can we get through VWAP here? I don't like that.
What's good, Alex?
I don't like that. We're rejecting VWAP pretty well. We need to reclaim here. Push. Fucking push. There we go. Come on. Come on. Give Papa some more. There we go. There we go. That's what I want to see.
Daddy need a new pair of Gators.
Daddy needs a live funded account. That's what Daddy needs. Dude, look at these rejections, bro. This is so aggressive with the rejections. This is like some bear fuckery that I hate. Look at that. That's awful. This thing's about to fucking destroy me, dude.
Hold the line, because I think the Lawrence model is coming up.
I do like this. Here's the failed attempt to go lower. Here's the retest, but we need to pop.
Yeah, we need to pop now.
We need to pop now, bro. And we're not. This is aggressive selling.
Oof.
No, I tried too many times, dude. I'm gonna get fucking so frustrated today. Tired of being frustrated, honestly.
Sick and tired of being sick and tired.
I am sick and tired of being sick and tired. These guys are gonna fucking dump this thing into the ground, bro.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm fucked. All right, I need to sit here for a solid fucking long. I tried way too many times, bro. Tried too many times.
I mean, to give you some credit on this, you're only down $600 after all those attempts.
I know, but it's just too many attempts.
That's pretty good risk management.
Way too many attempts too early. And this whole bear thesis is playing out, the short from the highs.
Fucking knew it. I said it. That shit cracks that third divergence. We're going down.
Yeah, look at this, dude. This is so fucking ugly. So ugly. So ugly, man. Yeah, I think this thing wants to die, dude. Based on this action so far. This is a perfect rejection of prior day low right at the open. This is doing everything bearish. Where's this other account? What's the problem? This one's at 800.
Yeah, they want London lows, bro. Jay was right.
They're aggressive.
Was it Jay? I think it was Jay. Jay Bulls. He said London lows.
Aggressive.
Let me see. What's London lows? Is it? It's 990. It's 969s.
928s, right? That pin overnight. I don't know when does London session start?
That's Asian. I think London session starts at 4 a.m. Eastern. So that's 1 a.m. for you.
Okay, but so you have this Asia low here. Okay. Interesting spot here. I'm still interested in buy. This is that scenario I said at the open though. I want to try this long around this area. Like I'm not gonna lie. It's just really hard. I feel like I'm catching the fallen knife. I need some sort of signal bar. I like this area though, this zone. This is
said London. They said 9. They're saying 929. I thought London starts at 4 a.m. Eastern. Isn't 3 a.m. Asia? Am I tripping? Am I wrong?
I like this, dude. I want to try this one more time around here.
Let me Google this. You guys call yourselves traders. You don't know when the fuck Asia starts and London starts.
Small risk. Super small risk. Trying to catch the knife here into the support zone. Nope. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Order filled.
Okay. Let's see here. Let's hold this. Let's fucking have this be the line. I know. This is a really good risk reward if this can hold. What I do love about this on the 5 minute is we just swept here and basically like retested this low pretty much right here. I literally said this scenario at the open. If we rewind the whole stream, I was like, if we can kind of come back down into this area and look like we're breaking down, actually hold. I was like, this could be decent. I'm just worried we might sweep this one more time and take me out. That's what I'm worried about. Let's see. Okay, it's a little bit better.
Okay, I found it. So Asia session opens at 5 p.m. Eastern and closes at 4 a.m. Eastern. London session opens up at 3 a.m. That's why we got it confused because they overlap.
Okay.
So London session opens up at 3 a.m. and then closes at 12 p.m. And then New York session opens up at 8 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. The New York session opened up at 9:30. Okay. This is good to know. I didn't know that.
Definitely good to know. Okay. Looking much better here. Much better here. We need to get back through 23,000 though. God, dude, just every pop they're rejecting so hard. That's what I hate. Every pop is just so hard in the rejection, man. Look at this, dude. I'm just getting cooked on the pops. Holy shit. I need to open this up a little bit more.
Oh, no. Put it back. Put it
No,
back.
it's too late now. Oh, fuck, dude.
Oh my goodness.
If this open saves me, I'm gonna say fuck you.
You can say fuck me today, but it's gonna fuck you tomorrow.
I know. It's still really heavy and aggressive. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. Just hold the line here. No.
Ain't nobody.
Oh my gosh, is this gonna hold? That was it. That was the low. Right there.
I hope so. I pray to
that
God.
that was the low, Lawrence.
I pray to God.
That was the low. That was the low. Me opening it up. That was the low. Because now we
That's
actually.
that's a good stop. That's a good
That's
stop.
a good. Now it's good. Now it's good. This could be a great stop. This could be it.
No, because it's below that
I'm
impulse.
mad.
I like that.
Order
You know, I'm
filled.
big on those impulses.
I added one more. If this fails, though, I'm just done for the day. It's always like the classic, oh yeah, now we are continuing lower type deal. Look at this 2 minutes. This needs to go up right here. This cannot get below this subtle little move down. Okay, that's it.
I saw that.
I know. Well, I just don't. It's too tight. I don't want like a random blip on the broker to fucking take me out or some shit. You know what I'm saying?
I guess then.
Tanner, I actually think you're the master of picking the bottom, but I think this environment in the 30-second chart might be fucking with you. Yeah, this type of environment, you're right, for sure. 100%. You're not wrong about that, bro. You're not wrong about that. It is a recipe for frustration. God, dude. Okay. This is just so ridiculous. Just don't fucking take me out. It's a decent spot all the way around, though, because on ES and everything else, we overshot VWAP and we're trying to reclaim it. So this is just heavy now. This is fucked. I'm done, guys. I'm so done today. Yeah, this is gonna fuck me. Most likely.
I don't know. Anything can happen in the market, bro. It could turn around.
I know, but it's too heavy, dude. I've been trying to bottom pick this too many times. Yeah, it's done. It's fully done. There's no way. There's zero chance.
Yeah, we're going to 930s.
We're going to fucking 600s, dude. This shit's totally cooked.
Bro says 600s. That's crazy. Ooh, ooh.
If this holds, I'm gonna be so shocked. That's all I'm gonna say. It's not gonna hold though. There's no way. Oh my edge. Oh my edge. Oh my edged. Oh my edged.
This might be it.
No, it's still so heavy. Every pop is being shorted, dude.
No, hold on. It might reclaim. If it reclaims that wick.
I need this my saving grace right here would be this 2-minute bar to be reclaimed.
For sure.
That's the only way.
For sure.
But no, it's still so fucking heavy. Oh, wow. This is definitely my demise, dude. When we have action like this and I try to pick bottom so many times, I get fucked. Yeah, this is done. It's over.
Yeah.
Locking out right now. Oh my god, are you serious? There's no way. There's no fucking way. There's no way. There's no way. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Oh my God. Wait. Can we see? Is this going to happen right now? Is this going to happen? Is this going to fucking happen, guys? No, it's not. I'm cooked.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Is it going to happen? I need to add.
Order filled.
Okay. We might be cooking with something, guys.
So we might be in the driver's seat, y'all.
We might be in the driver's seat.
I need to add. Right, Jay. You heard that? You don't need to add. Just I need to add.
I had to add.
I'm glad you peeped that.
I need to add.
Oh my goodness.
Well, dude, if you're kidding me, if that didn't stop me out by literally a fucking tick, look at this shit.
No,
I need a
get you.
microscope.
I understand.
I need a microscope to zoom in. Oh, it's just probably still going to take me out. It's be anticlimactic, but dude, I don't know. I think I might be okay.
Yeah,
Maybe.
no, it looks good.
Maybe.
No, it looks good.
It's still really heavy though. Just like look at price, bro.
Go to the 2 minute. Go to the 2 minute.
Yeah, let me get
Or
off
the
this
1
fucking
minute.
30-minute second bullshit.
Yeah, there we go. We can reclaim that bar.
It's just the price is just still so heavy though, dude.
That shit is literally taking out every pop, son. That's
every pop is just like not doing it, dude. What I do like is if we have reclaimed this wick, that this could potentially hold. That's what I'm for sure looking at. What are you laughing at, bro? Famous last words for a blown account. Well, luckily, it would take me literally like 10 days in a row or like 12 days in a row, I think, to blow this account. So, because I have my
comment section, bro. Like these guys are so funny.
The DGen fully coming out. I know. It's been a rough couple days, guys. Okay. God forbid a man wants to fucking pick a bottom. God forbid a man wants to pick a bottom. Oh, dude, this action is just so. This action is just not it, dude. It's just so not it. Every pop is being shorted.
Hilarious.
Every pop being shorted, dude. I really don't think this is it.
Oh, that's fucking hilarious, bro.
I need a swift move higher here. Swift. Taylor Swift.
Are you a Swiftie?
No, I don't know any of that shit, dude.
No.
I listen to robot noises, bro. I haven't looked at the comment section once. I'm just fucking locked in, watching every pop being shorted. This is crazy.
Go to the 1 minute.
No, I'm gonna go to the 15. Fuck the 1 minute.
Okay. Decent.
Yeah, but I don't really have like a. It's not that decent.
I mean, it has to pop at some point, is what I'm getting at here. Well,
maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just dies. Maybe it just fucking dies.
You're right. I'll take it back.
Yeah, take that back. That goes against everything you believe in.
That is true.
I'm gonna let it work best I can.
I mean, the 1 minute looks pretty solid. The 1 minute looks good. Look at the 1 minute. Tell me what you think. I don't think it's going to continue to go down off that.
I could totally see this dying still. Totally.
Really?
Yeah.
If we can get past 985,
these are just still lower highs. Lower high. Lower high.
Well, I'm not expecting an all-out reversal for you.
No, if we can get up to VWAP, at least like New York VWAP.
Exactly.
Something like that.
So if we hit 986s, I mean, the chances increase. And and I think we already hit it. Did we hit it? Close.
984s. Yeah, I mean, you have definitely the chances go up for sure.
Yeah, 986s, chances going up.
Shout out Drew with that comment of like, yeah, the 30-second in this environment hurts you. It does. You're right. I need to be more specific about the areas I pick. And honestly, it's just the classic, just trading too close to the open rule fucks me, dude. I need to stop doing that. I gotta stop doing it. Look at this is cooked, bro. Every fucking pop taken out. Oh, I'm so done. This 5-minute bar looks awful. Awful, awful. And I know I'm done. There's no way this holds. I don't believe it. I don't fucking believe it. If it does, I'll be really, really like
it might.
Cool. It might.
You ain't listening to me, man. I'm telling you, we hit 986s, your chances increase.
No. Let's see.
I've seen this before. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I'm saying it's likely. I've seen this pattern before.
God, the amount of rejections, though, that's what doesn't give me conviction.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That shit is every time it picks its head up, it just
dude, it just every pop stuffed.
Mm-hmm.
Looks awful. Terrible.
It does.
I just accepted my fate. Well, I'm just trading sometimes. Shake it off,
bro.
Tanner.
I think it's gonna pop, bro. Give it a second.
I'm giving it a sec. I just already accepted that it's probably not gonna work. It's way too heavy, dude. No way.
It is heavy, but
it's so heavy. It'd have to be a juke out. Just a fluke.
Yeah.
There it goes. It's about to go.
Hold on. Give it a second.
I think we get a death candle here, and everyone goes, "Oh shit, it is really heavy."
Yeah. Yeah. Facts.
Too heavy. That's it, guys. Okay.
GG's.
I'm done. Fuck that. I'm not doing this shit. Well, that was fucking stupid. There it is. There's a death candle dying, dude. Fucking all these.
Let me look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute probably looks wicked right now.
This one fucking
jeez. The 30-minute looks crazy.
It's too heavy, dude. The bigger picture play is playing out. And I think that's what I struggle with is like these bear environments, dude. It looks like we're gonna pop so many times, and then it just doesn't. It's like there's no follow through. It just everything is like but this is like day 2 of conviction of that daily setup I just talked about, where it's this, right? Like go to the 4-hour, you can see it better. The range, the failed range breakout. This wants lows. I'm telling you, I think this will come all the way and sweep 600s over the next few days.
Yeah, because I mean that's my setup, right?
Yeah. It's like
that's my setup, but on a 2-minute time frame, like we pop out of resistance. I circle that sweep or that fake out. We go back into the range, and then you short low of day. And that what's that support line? What is that? What area is that? What price?
22,850s right here.
840s.
840s,
yeah. That's probably where we're going to go.
Yeah, for sure. This is a range low. I mean, it would make sense. Range low, and then if we break this aggressively, it wants to come all the way back down towards here, and then break this even potentially. It makes sense. Bigger picture sell setup, dude. Tried too many times, too close to the open. What I should have done, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I like the first VWAP attempt. I don't think it was bad. I should have waited then for 23,000 fully. Some sort of reaction here, though, on like a higher time frame. Of course, this is where it's going to fucking bounce. Watch. Or not. Might just keep rolling over. I don't know, dude. I really don't know. But tough day. Tough couple days, man. I got fucking smoked past couple days.
Yeah.
Really frustrating. I know. It's okay. It's all good. All right, let's do a giveaway. You guys want to do a giveaway? I think you want to do a giveaway. Let's give away free 50K straight to funded account with top 1. I think we're gonna do that. And I do want to start doing this every week, multiple times a week. So, first of all, in order to do a giveaway, I need you all to like the video. I need you all to subscribe to the YouTube. I'm going to give you a second to do that. And if you're not subscribed and you fill out the form for the free account, I'll fucking check. I won't give it to you.
Yeah. This guy lifts 1,000 pounds too, by the way. So you might not want to fuck with him.
Oh, look at this now. Look at the magic signal, Lawrence. 2 minute.
Yeah. Well, halfway. We didn't get that.
This
That
is
wick.
nice. Oh, here's like the real fucking pop. I hate that. Let's get some likes. Let's give some likes. Let's get some likes. Bro's cutting, so he's weak. You're not wrong, Kyle.
That's funny, yeah.
Weak physically and mentally, dude. What's your YouTube channel? It's at the Strong Trader. Same thing. Please go check it. All right. I'm gonna drop this in the comments. Wait. Free 50K account giveaway. All right. Click that link in the comments. Go fill out the form. Go. Just your name and email. Yeah, you're giving me your email. We don't have an email list as of now. Eventually, probably will. You'll see some shit. But whatever. Some of you have your email list name on feetfinder.com. So, you can sign up for strong trading. It's fine. So go ahead, click the link, go fill it out. Only one entry, please. If you enter more than once, I'm going to notice. I'm going to say something. I'm going to yell at you. I'm going to be like, bro, what the fuck? Keep it going. We're at 25 now. Keep it going. Go fill it out. Let's see. No double entries. Keep it going. I'll give you a few more minutes. Cool. Done. Nice.
Giveaways.
Dude, I hate taking max daily losses. Pretty painful.
Yeah. You haven't had one in a while, though.
Well, I just had 2 in a row. That fucking sucks.
Really? Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Oh.
Don't like that. All right, give you guys 2 more minutes to fill out the form. 2 more minutes. Look at the fucking pop now, dude. Disgusting. Look at the 5 minute. These guys are lame.
Would it be fucked up if I apply for a free account?
Yeah, you don't get it. You junkie. Hopefully no one sees my 20 plus entries. I'm gonna ban you, Steve. I'm just kidding. Let's see here. All right. So okay.
I'm gonna ban, bro. That's
I'm
crazy.
gonna ban you, bro. Okay, how do I 40? Give you guys a couple more minutes. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutos. 2 minutos más. If you don't already know, go check out Top 1 Futures. Go check them out. Use code STRONG. Always much love when you use code STRONG. 1 second, we make more Gmail accounts.
That's funny.
All right, 1 more minute. 1 more minute. What a rejection, dude. These wicks and tails. I hate action like this. If you're a bear, you love it. But bears are gay.
Are they really?
Remember we had this conversation. All right, let's see here. Give you guys last 30 seconds. Any buzzer beaters in the chat? Buzzer beaters on the form. Buzzer beaters on the form, and I'm closing it to rights now. Save. Okay. All righty. Let's take all these names.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go copy. Let's go duck race. Have some fun. Have some fucking fun. Okay. Where the fuck is it? There we go. Names.
Baby oil us up. That's crazy.
Baby oil. There's the dump. Rejection.
I don't know. They might reclaim that wick.
Okay. Well, since I've already gotten destroyed, let's share this tab instead. Let's do something more fun. All right. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? We got 41 people, I think. Yeah, 41 names that just tuned in and did it. So we're gonna go done here. We're gonna go let's go 15 seconds. 30 seconds. Should we do a little bit longer? Let's make it a little bit, make everyone on the edge of their seat.
Yeah.
Okay, 30 seconds. We'll set it.
All right, let's get this shit. Let's get this
All righty, ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Monday, even though it's Wednesday. And they're off. It's lagging. Running slow. It is 24 seconds. Okay, who we got? Let's see. We got Jordan coming up hot. We got Mario with the doctor.
We got Mario.
Oh, we got Steven. We got Steven. Is it going to be Steven? Steven the Green? Someone's going to come out from nowhere. Oh, shit. Oh, Luann? Luann? Oh, snap!
Oh my god.
Luann Creel.
Out there looking like Shikari, man.
Luann Creel. Let's go find you. I am going to shoot your name over to the affiliate manager. And they should email you. So they should do that. That was great.
Look at
Train with the wind. You're joking. Hey, let's go. Let's fucking go. Nice jacked. I love it. All right. Fuck yeah. He put Celsius in his got
tears coming up.
Lawrence is crying, dude. Oh my god, that was great.
Why are y'all so funny, bro?
That made my $1,200 loss worth it, dude.
Oh my gosh, you guys are hilarious.
All right, let's see, Luann.
Oh,
is it
my God.
Luann?
Oh, I legit have tears coming out of my eyes, bro.
That was pretty good. That was fucking great.
Oh my God.
That was great. Good shit. All right, well, we're gonna end it there on the W with the duck. You ain't got much more. Price is holding. Price is starting to look good. Well, we'll hang out for a second.
Derek said he put Celsius in his.
All right, just shut this duck up, dude. This thing just keeps fucking yapping. Oh my goodness gracious.
That was hilarious. Duck was too slow.
That was hilarious, dude. Oh,
I didn't see my slow duck on the screen.
Didn't even see my slowest duck on the screen. I know. That's so funny.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Oh. Oh. You guys are so funny, bro.
Look at Price, dude.
God.
Look at Price. Fucking 2-minute chart. This was the final fake breakdown. Right under 50s. One more sweep. I added too aggressively. I also moved my stops, so not much I can do in this area.
Oh my goodness. That was so funny, bro.
That was pretty great. That was pretty freaking great. I didn't even see my duck. It was in there somewhere. I had all the names from the list. So that was fucking hilarious.
That was funny. That was funny.
Luann Creel. Luann Creel.
Come on, fucker.
Oh God. That was great.
Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. I needed that laugh. That was good.
We're gonna do that. We're gonna do this multiple times. Hopefully, multiple times a week. We'll definitely do it every week.
I don't think I can take it.
That was great. That was great,
bro. That dude had me crying.
Oh my God! You know what's crazy is Luann was 40 out of 41 who submitted the responses.
Oh wow.
Luann. If it's Luann, sorry, bro. Sick. I'm gonna send this over.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay. That's great. That was fucking great. Super great. Okay, Cameron.
That was good.
Oh wow, what a freaking move. What a freaking move. All right. Well, that's that. I think I'm going to wrap it. Price is looking pretty good for this reversal. It is failing to go lower here. Here's a nice little filled attempt. Here's the classic, the 7 a.m. reversal time working out well, right? 7 a.m. comes. We get one more sweep. Or 7 a.m. It's 10 a.m. for you guys. But my problem is just this first 20 minutes. I need to go back to that hard rule. I think that rule really does save me, especially on moves like this. Waiting at 20 minutes. And I think if I look back at some of my trades, the past like 3 days, I think my first trade is always like within the first 20 minutes, which is me subconsciously reverting to, okay, so here's a good little thing I'll share with you guys. I talk about this in I learned this from powerlifting, and we see this a lot in our trading as well. You get used to doing one thing, and you're trying to like, okay, let's say you're trying to relearn you're trying to relearn like a habit. In the case of powerlifting, use the example of like a motor pattern or like a cue. So maybe when you're benching, you learn that like if you tuck your elbows a little bit, it's like you're more fluid in the movement, or you create more force, or it feels better. But your body's used to maybe flaring. Let's say you're really used to flaring. So you have to consciously think about this new motor pattern of doing that and practice it. But there's this thing called technical drift, or eventually you kind of randomly or one day kind of forget about it, and your brain goes back to doing what it's used to doing because you did like this thing for so long, you're so used to doing it. So in the sense of trading, if you have like a habit or something like trading the open too fast, maybe not taking your stop, moving your stop, whatever it is, and you worked really hard on that, if you don't continuously like practice that motor pattern and like always put it at the forefront of your brain, you can technical drift back into doing what you're used to doing. So I saw this all the time, like with like my my deadlift, for example, is like I just would always be able to like rip it off the floor so easy. But there's certain cues and stuff like, you know, lats forward, or like, you know, like push through my midfoot or something like that. That I would start cueing and practicing and feel really good. And then again, randomly one day out of nowhere, I kind of just forget about doing that. And then everything starts to like kind of tumble. So with trading, like I noticed today, and I think even yesterday and the day before, I started taking trades like within the first like 15 minutes, like 12 minutes of the open, where usually my rule is roughly 20 minutes minimum. So I think I'm like naturally kind of reverting to that, and that's what's causing me pain right now.
Yeah, I've been there several times. I can attest to that. Yeah.
So
I didn't know it was called technical drift though.
Yeah. Wow, this is crazy. I was literally driving because I had a dentist appointment. I answered last second. That's crazy. That's fucking sick. Super sick. Well, price coming right into VWAP here. It's looking like it's trying. If it's gonna reject anywhere, this is where it wants to reject. I'll tell you that much. Right above volume point of control, and we got VWAP. This is actually a really good short area. We have ES overshooting VWAP right now and trying to come back below it, which would be another good area for that to happen. So we're in an interesting spot here. Definitely still. I still think this bigger picture range is playing out. I don't want to like ignore it. It's hard to ignore it, right? Like, where are they going to hold this here? Is this mid range where they're going to hold it? I don't know. But right now, VWAP is VWAPing, that's for sure. We got confluence of both VWAPs too. You got QQQ VWAP is also in the same spot. Pretty high probability short setup here, to be honest. Really high probability short setup. Decent. What do I need to learn for tomorrow? I need to slow down. I'm trading live. I'm going to be on live stream on Friday with you guys. At Austin, or with Austin. But I'm staying at Lance's house on Thursday night. So I'm going to be, Lance might pop into the stream and say what up. Because I'm going to Traders for a Cause San Diego on tomorrow. Yeah. So it's a trader meetup in San Diego. I think tickets are already sold out if you guys don't have a ticket already, but I will be attending that. It is in San Diego. So I'm going to that tomorrow night, which will be cool. And then Lance is basically, he's just staying in Encinitas, and he's gonna let me stay at his house, which is cool.
Oh, that's dope.
So Friday morning I'll be on stream with Lance probably popping in, something like that. So that'll be cool. But I think that's it, guys. We're gonna wrap it up. I got smoked today. 2 days in a row getting smoked. Don't like that. Not fun. Doesn't feel good. But man, this is just part of the process. It happens. It definitely happens. It's not fun. It doesn't feel good. But good thing is, all my accounts. I'll show you guys this. Where we're at. So I do this privacy thing, streamer mode. I mainly do this. I wanted to fuck with my head, so I look at it. But this account, again, to blow this account, I'd have to hit my max loss literally, I think, 10 plus times in a row. Highly, highly unlikely. All the other accounts too. This one, same, very similar, right? Very, very similar. This one, still pretty similar. I mean, $10,000 basically to blow it, quote unquote. That's why we use the daily max loss though, because again, like the tilt thing is what fucks you up. It's what fucks you up. It's just like is going against that. So keep the max daily loss on, especially you saw me today. Like, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'd probably still be trying stuff within this. I'd be hella frustrated. And I like to be honest about that stuff. I just know who I am. Does the max loss not move up with your profit on a 150K account? Like a trailing drawdown? No. So with the top one futures instant funded accounts, not the pros. So there's instant funded pros and then the pros, and then just normal instant funded. Normal instant funded is not an intraday trailing drawdown, which is really cool. And the pro accounts do have an intraday trailing drawdown until you get past it. So once you get past the max loss limit, this locks. So right now, look at distance to max loss limit, $13,247. So it's like this locks for me, and this is locked for me because I've taken so many payouts from all these accounts. You guys have been watching me do it, so all this is locked. Like, it's like I'm in a good spot. But again, $1,000. It's like it's not going to be detrimental to try to make that type of stuff back, but this is just the reality of trading. This is like what you're going to go through ebbs and flows.
It's one step back, two steps forward. Yeah,
exactly. It's going to happen. And like, I have been on a pretty good heater. You guys have watching the past 6 weeks. Like, literally in the past 6 weeks, I've taken. Where's my fucking thing? In the past 6 weeks, I've taken about $23,000 in payouts. So
that's tough.
It's not too bad. I'm not going to be mad about that.
That's pretty. That's actually pretty good.
Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Yeah.
You know the percentage of people who actually even get their first payout, yet alone over $10,000, bro.
Literally since we started live streaming. So last month I did 13,300 in payouts. This month I've already done 9,350.
Nice.
So $22,650 in payouts in just 6 weeks. So, you know, it is
with the consistency rule.
With the consistency rule, yeah, literally just
Please
base hitting.
That.
Yeah,
that's
base
huge.
hitting.
No, that's
just
like
base
that's
hitting.
huge. Because if you didn't have a consistent, like say for example, if that was a top step account, bro, you'd probably be
I know.
You can.
But that's why I kind of like the consistency rule too, because I'm not overthinking about like, oh, I can make 20K here. That's why I have my live account now. I can hit an $8,000 a day or some crazy shit, you know. This is a good question right here. How does the ESS work on the pro accounts? Really good question. So on the pro accounts, there's this thing called equity stability score. And basically what they're looking for, it's like if you want to copy, you know, 7 accounts, 9 accounts, they're going to let you do that. But the rules are going to be a bit more strict. Here goes the fucking pop, by the way. This is
ridiculous. That shit is going crazy.
So the equity stability score basically takes your best day and your worst day, and then your consistency has to be the percentage of that. So, for example, you make $1,000. Let's say your best day is 1,000, your worst day is 1,000. It's $2,000. So theoretically, in order to take a payout, 20%, that would be like your 20%, right? So it's like, let's say you make $10,000. I'm going to use the easiest math. $10,000. Best day is 1,000, worst day is 1,000. You add both of those, that equals 2,000. 20% of 10,000 is 2,000. So that's how you get it. So what the reason why they do that is, let's say you have, you know, they don't want you just YOLOing back and forth. That's the whole idea. They want consistent base hits. Like, you know, as a firm, they want to stay protected in that sense. And to move you live, they want that, right? Like they want you to like not do what I'm doing with my Tick Trader account where I don't care and I'm YOLOing it, because like they want to give a good live experience. Tick Trader took me 2.5 months to put me live once I finally got the email that I was going live. So like that's their loss, their thing. So that's how it works. Again, I'm not a huge fan of the intraday trailing drawdown. I'm just honest with you guys about it. It's not my thing. But if you can handle that and you do it and you like the leverage, you want to trade 7 accounts or 9 accounts at once, depending on the promo and what's going on, dude, you could take a fucking $30,000 payout, like, which is pretty fat. So that's how that works. Hopefully that explains it. You got nothing to worry about, bro. Your process and risk management will prevail. Very true. 100% upward equity trading.
Your risk management is phenomenal. I don't think that there is too many traders that will actually sit here and take 4 losses back to back without going on tilt, or at least you only lost $1,100 after 4 losses back to back. Do you know how phenomenal? Because what's 4 divided by 11? That means like you were averaging what, $300, less than $300 a trade. Like
you know, that's why. Yeah, and I'll take those haircuts all day, because once I finally get to because like if I would have caught this, and I know like that's the hard part is, you know, oh, you're trying to catch a bottom and stuff. It's like, yeah, well, it takes me 3 times to catch the bottom because I have a really good location finally. Look what happens here, right? If I would have caught this, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but I was pretty close around this fucking area, I'd already be up 60 points, you know, 60 points. And like, based on how this is moving now, I wouldn't be surprised, since we got the pop of VWAP now. It's going to go for liquidity. It's going to come for 90s, maybe into probably into 100s. Like, so this would have been a 100, and if it pans out fully, 140 point play, bro. Like that would have made up for everything. So, but again, that's just my trading style. That's just my trading style. That's just how I do it. My biggest flaw that I fucked up on today was the time thing. I should have been more patient. I should have been more clear about exactly what I needed to see. So, you know, Drew really hit the nail on the head with that 30-second chart. You know, really too close to the open. That hurts me for sure, and I'm going to work on that. So I appreciate people calling me out. You know, there's always room to get better and improve. And it's like, I think the craziest part about trading is you can go on hot streaks and you can go on cold streaks and stuff like that, but as long as you're always trying to really understand, like, where are you making errors personally? Because yeah, obviously the market isn't always going to do what we want, and we can try to blame the market, but in reality, you're the one pressing the buttons. It's always your fault. It's always your fault. So you just got to accept that and understand that, and like try to unwind. Where did it happen? How did it happen? So, side note, my girlfriend opened a new business, and I'm going on a cruise the week 1 month from now, week of August 15th. And it's kind of nice, guys, because I'm finally making a little bit of money for like the first time in my life, like decent money where I'm like, oh shit, okay, I'm saving this much, doing this. I balled out and I got a suite on the cruise.
I know, that's right.
It's gonna be pretty sick. So I got like a sky suite shit, and
that's dope.
Yeah, it's like a sky suite. So it's like it was an extra like $1,000 or something, and I'm like, dude, fucking send it. Let's fucking send it. Let's do it. Let's do it right. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I have what? Okay, here's a fun story for you. I'm gonna leave you guys with this story, and then we'll probably hop off. You don't know the story, Lawrence, even, so this will be going for you. I'm like afraid of cruises. I fucking hate cruise ships. I like the water. I love the water, but I prefer the lake. I love Lake Havasu. I love Parker. I love going like tubing and wakeboarding and stuff, but not in the fucking ocean. So I went on a booze cruise when I was 21 with like 6 of my buddies. And of course, 21, I went ham. Got the drink package. I max out my drink card every day. They give you 15 drinks a day. We also brought rum runners. You know, we got dropped off in Ensenada, and you know, had some fun there, and literally got so wasted so many days in a row. Plus, it was a Carnival cruise ship, which are much smaller, and the rocking of the boat, dude. I got off that cruise and I literally had vertigo and the worst hangover ever, to the point where I was so dizzy, and like I had my first like panic attack ever right after that. And it's just my body basically crawling from alcohol. So I have that like scarred in my brain of like, I fucking hate boats. And then 3 years later, I went to Ibiza with my friends. And they were like, let's do this party boat thing. It's gonna be so fun. And I'm like, oh, you know, guys, know how I feel about boats. Like, come on, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's a short little 4-hour cruise. You'll be fine. And I'm like, all right, I'll try it. Like, I'll try to step out my comfort zone to do it. Dude, we get on the fucking cruise, and literally it's like the scene in Wolf of Wall Street at the end where the waves are like, yeah. And I'm on the boat for like literally it's 7 literally the lewds. Literally, I'm on the boat for 7 minutes, and I instantly get seasick and feel nauseous. And I'm like, oh no. And it's a 4-hour cruise, and I'm stuck on it. I can't have the boat turn around. Everyone's
first
partying.
7 minutes.
First 7 minutes. So then I'm like, all right, where do I go? Okay, go to the back of the boat, closest to the engine, you know, like try to get away from the movement as much as I can. I'm sitting back there, and I kid you not, it's a 4-hour mental battle of me just going.
That's a long time.
4 hours, bro. And then there's this guy next to me on the ground. There's a guy next to me on the ground throwing up and like convulsing, shivering because he like fucking overdosed on Molly or some crazy shit. I don't even know. And so I'm watching that, trying to keep my cool. And then literally
make sure he's
alive. And I'm like, this is the worst thing of my life. I fucking hate this. And then finally, like, we like eventually start to come back. And of course, at the very end, one of the girls like is there. That's like bartending. She's like, oh, are you sick? Do you want a seasick pill? And I'm like, now you're going to tell me after I just suffered for 3.5 hours? Like, yes. What the fuck? And so then literally like, we're getting off the boat, and it's like, dude, it's like a war zone. Like literally everyone has their head down. There's throw up everywhere. It was disgusting because the waves were so gnarly and so choppy. Everyone got sick. And so I got off the boat and I was like, fuck you guys. I'm never getting on a boat again with you. Like, I'm done. I'm done with the ocean shit.
Yeah.
So now, years later, I'm like, all right. Like, my girl's never been on a cruise. I haven't been on one since that. The Royal Caribbean, I'm going to Royal Caribbean cruise. So Royal Caribbean boats are like, I literally looked up biggest boat in California for a cruise. And there's one called like Ovation of the Seas. And it's super, super big. So it's like, it should be chill. And I'm not going to have 15 drinks a day. I'll probably have 10. So it's like, it's a little bit different. So like, it was just, Dude, it was the worst thing ever. But anyways, I'm facing my fears and I'm doing it again. I'm gonna balling out and doing it in style. So at least have a sick ass room to do it. So, anyways, that's my cruise story. So yeah, one month from now, I'll be on the cruise and I won't be on the live stream for like 3 days or 4 days.
I don't do cruises.
Why not?
Because I was in the Navy. I spent like
oh yeah, for sure, bro. That's right.
I spent 1.5 years out to sea, bro. Like I'm good off
That's
boats
right.
in general.
I know for sure. For
I'm good, bro.
I bet, bro. Fuck, that's totally
like
right.
I hate it's like I'm not standing in line. I'm not gonna be like I just to eat and all that. I don't know. Like the Navy just really fucked that up for me. Like,
yeah, for sure.
I'm good off the ships, bro.
For sure, that's your experience. Totally understand that. Totally Will McGuire, Lake Parker, Florida. No, Lake Parker, Arizona. So,
hey, this dude is hilarious. He's always late. Nicky Pips.
Nicky Pips, he always pops in late, but he's the hype man, dude. Nicky Pips is OG. Nicky Pips bought one of my hats, dude, when I had like fucking maybe 1,000 followers or 2,000 followers, and I like dropped some merch, and Nicky bought one. He still has it. He's
That's real
man right there. Yeah. Good shit.
All right, bro. I got a call in about 15
All right,
minutes.
for sure. Yeah, we're gonna hop off. I got smoked today, guys. For everyone that's just joining in or tuning in, good luck in this. You know, use your daily loss limit. Save yourself if shit doesn't go your way. Tough action today, personally. Always stuff to learn. Always stuff to get better. So that's it. Peace.